How to implement an array-like property wrapper in Python? I have a class in Python that acts as a front-end to a C library. This library performs simulations and handles very large arrays of data. This library passes forward a type array, and my wrapper converts it into a proper numpy.n array. However, in order to make sure that memory problems don't occur, I keep the array data separate from the library data, so changing the array does not cause a change in the true array being used by the library. However, I can pass along a new array of the same shape and overwrite the library's held array. So, I can interact with the array like so. My desire is to simplify this even more by allowing syntax to simply be x.a0 plus equals 1, which would be more readable and have less variables. I am not exactly sure how to go about creating such a wrapper. I have very little experience making wrapper classes/functions that mimics properties but allows item access as my example. How would I go about making such a wrapper class? Is there a better way to accomplish this goal? If you have any advice or reading that could help, I would appreciate it very much.
This could work. Array is a proxy for the numpy/c array. Should behave like this. The 10 should end up in your C array too.
I think your descriptor should return instance of list-like class which knows about self._lib and will update it during normal operation append, _set item _, get item etc.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.